Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and also comment. Okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, you making sure who like. And guys, the reason why I wasn't vlogging, it's because you guys watch my vlogs and you don't like. I really like young. Mwana. Can Rayana to me? No, please guys, please support me guys. Ngiyacela, ngicela like please. Ngiyanicupha. And then today is 24 December, which is Christmas Eve. Sorry, it's Christmas Eve, and right now I'm going to bake guys. Give my nails, and yeah, I just wanna guys. Yo, I just wanna wrap it up. Let me just go get things done fast. I'm gonna rush. Please make sure you watch until the end. Annie, I hope you watch until the end. Kalkopa, guys. Love you.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradict me. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells.
Hey guys, welcome back. Guys, it's Christmas. So guys, today it's Christmas and guys, sorry I couldn't vlog the whole day since the morning. I was busy like I woke up early in the morning like around 6. I woke up and then like I went to do I went to do some errands, run some errands and then yeah, I came back and then got a chef who got do the most on Talokan. So and I hope you guys enjoy your day. You did enjoy your day because like literally it's late now. Guys, just know good morning shy Christmas. After Christmas we try it is really let's go doing. And see never pre-matric, I don't know guys. Just get ready. I wish everything guys. Inshallah, okay, thank you guys. Please watch until the end. Love you. Today guys, it's Thursday. After Christmas it's called Boxing Day. It's Boxing Day and like literally I'm tired and I didn't have enough sleep because I slept about 3 and then and everyone is just chilling. And you're also eating my leftovers because literally you cannot dessert these things in dessert food to me. Yeah boo. This is a dessert guys. Literally. So I irritating this biggest something on top of this thing. Yeah. So right now is in the light dessert because you know what? Magu December like fun will be healthy. So guys, Annie, getting 27 December. December today, Annie. And it's like it's but guys, I just wanna do a quick unboxing, like Christmas gift unboxing, like that I got from my aunt. And this is my thing, like for real. Yep. And I'm so excited, guys. So, guys, I got this. I think this is a watch. What is it written? The best wishes ever. Let's go. It's the watch. Ne? And then it comes with this. Guys, I've already unboxed it. Ne? I don't know why it's not showing you guys. And guys, I don't know Nashim how I'm going to use this watch cause I can see nako e, but it's just for decoration, ne? That's the only thing in this box. The one about it, so, but thank you. And then I got any perfume, dream party, whatever. I don't know what's the name of the brand perfume. I hope you guys see it clearly. Yep, this is the perfume, and wow, classy yang, like classy what? Yep, this is the perfumer. This is a perfumer. Yep, and I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and you did enjoy the vlog. I mean, yeah, you guys enjoyed the vlog. Really, like, you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please make sure, guys, please just comment anything, at least in my hearts, my world, my infinity sign. At least it's better than nothing. Guys, love you.